Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Everything generated in AI, do you believe? This is Blender 5.1, but you can see this is an animation, everything generated in AI. It is included the face, the body, the whole 3D modeling process is made by AI, and also the texturing and also the rigging is generated by AI, everything by AI. Do you believe? I'm going to show you all the step-by-step, all the workflow in this tutorial. Let's go. The first, you can just go to my video description and enter the Meshy website. Just use the link that given by me. And then, first you need to log in. Once you already log in, then go to the workplace, text to image. The first step, we are going to generate a face. To generate a face, you need a prompt. So we are going to type it at here. Here we have to clear everything and just type at here. A beautiful East Asian young lady headshot photo, neutral facial expression, lighting balance, no shadow. First, we are going to just generate a headshot face. Generate a face randomly by the AI. You just need to click generate. Here, number of image, choose one, generate. And it is creating a task. Just wait for a few seconds here. It is going to generate the headshot. The headshot photo, just wait for a while. Alright, now you can see it already generated a headshot picture. Then what can you do? Next, we are going to just use another prompt to generate the T-pose picture, an image of the T-pose. So we click this, send to image reference. Now you can see it is going to send it to image reference, and we need another prompt. So another prompt, we are going to type it here. Here we are going to delete and type it here. This lady stand with T-pose. Her face is exactly same as the image reference. So it is going to follow the image reference, the face. Her face follow the image reference. Full body front view, head to foot. She wears female swimsuits, neutral facial expression, no smile, cheek nuns, hairstyle. So just by typing all of this prompt, it is going to generate a T-pose, something like this, A pose, something like this. So now I'm going to just generate it. Of course, the number of image, just choose one and click generate. It is going to generate another picture that we need for the AI. Now it is generating. You also need to wait for a few seconds until it finishes. Alright, now done, you can see the AI already generated the whole body, you can see, from head to toe. Okay, so we are going to use this. Click the image to 3D. Let the AI to generate the whole 3D model. So once you already click it, the name, you can just name this as Avatar 02. It is up to you, whatever name that you want to name her. And then here, I just use the standard AI model, Meshy 6. And then here I just need to click generate. Now the AI is generating the 3D model. You need to wait for a few seconds as well. The 3D model is generating now. Just wait. Okay, now you can see the Avatar 02 is already generated at here. Just click and open. And now actually no material texture. We are going to click texture. So now the AI already finished the modeling process. Now is the material texture. Click the texture and then click texture. Here the AI will automatically make the material texture for the whole 3D model. Just wait for a few seconds now. It is texturing. Just let everything to be done by AI. Okay. Alright, now you can see very quick, it already done the texturing. Click on that and just check the whole 3D avatar. It already done the texturing. It is really awesome. Next is the rigging process. We just let the AI to do. Just click the rig. Then here select the character type, and this is humanoid. Just click next. See, next. You can drag all of these points if it is not satisfied. But now it should be okay. Just click confirm. Now let the AI to make the rigging process for you. You just need to wait for a few seconds. It is really fast, and just wait for it. So now you can see it's ready. And now we can just animate it. To animate it, you can just select from here. There are a lot of the animation that you can select from here, directly apply and export as FBX. So here I'm going to just choose one of it to see how. Okay, so now I choose this. Just add it. It is going to add into the animation. Now it is adding. Just wait for a few seconds as well. It is adding it into this. So next we can just go to the edit. This is the edit. Just now, which one you already added? This one. Click to view. Click. Okay, and what about this? This is running. And you can just look at the skeleton, look at the rig as well. So let's say if you want to download, you just need to click download and choose the FBX. Click download. Then you can just import it into Blender or any other 3D software like the Icon, Unreal Engine, etc. Alright, now the FBX file is ready. It is inside my download folder. It's already downloaded in my download folder. I right click it, just extract it, and we are going to test it in Blender. You can see all of the materials are ready. It is game ready as well. So now I'm going to just open the Blender 5.1. This is today's latest version, the latest Blender. Okay, so now I click the empty area and just press A and delete everything. Next, I'm going to just import the FBX file. Drag and drop to the center, then click import FBX. We are going to just click. Before you play, you can just turn on the material texture and just have a look. Play. Okay, so if you want to just make the frame, you can just drag it here, make the frame exactly same as the animation. So now you can just play. It will become a loop like this. Okay, so just click the skeleton. You can just hide it. Just don't show it in front in the real time viewport display. Don't show in front. You can just have a look. Look at this animation. She's running very fast now. Okay, this is the 3D animation that made by using the AI. Now it's already in Blender. You can just use for whatever purpose you want in your Blender. It is really convenient. It is not just do frame by frame. Everything just let AI to do it for you. It is really awesome. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make the 3D animations just by using the AI, just from modeling to texturing to rigging to animation, everything made in AI for your Blender 5.1. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!